Ladies and gentlemen, here's a 1976 Yamaha RD400. Full nut and bolt mechanical and cosmetic restoration. With a little twist. I don't know a ton about these bikes. Apparently these pipes are pretty trick, rare and cool. This gas tank is a Euro, that came on the Euro spec bikes, which is apparently 1 gallon, has another gallon of capacity. We're straight here. It's had just 2.9 miles since its refurbishment. All lights, switches, and controls work as they should. While I was talking about the gas tank and this solo seat cowl, it took me a minute to kind of wrap my head around the solo seat assembly, but and rightfully so, because at first glance I said, well, that's neat. And then it occurred to me that someone used the back portion of a gas tank to create it, which I like to ride and own these machines, but the creativity that it takes to do something like that I do not possess. But yeah, really neat solo seat cowl setup on it. I'm sorry for the shadows. I'm no photographer either, but my goal was to get this done before the sun came up this morning, but my 3-year-old had other ideas. I was going to do a cold start video, which apparently nowadays it is my obligation to prove to you, because nobody can trust each other anymore these days, and us motorcycle guys, I mean, I might start a new thing where I get on the ground and put my tongue to it, but I don't know whether you can see. I can touch the head, the spark plug. I mean, that would burn probably. Okay? Does everybody believe me that it's cold? Now, I'm a little torn. I actually hadn't thought this through. I'm a little torn whether to use the choke or not. Let's turn the fuel on. And choke is down. A little torn whether to use the choke or not, because it's, I don't know, 65, 70 degrees here. Neutral light came on. I started on the center stand, which is also kind of weird. Choke on, fuel on, run switch on. Up. Okay, choke's off. Just look at this cobweb right here, it's driving me crazy. Okay, maybe I have to choke off a little early, but clear her out. debatable. My heart of hearts, I'm a Honda guy, but I do love, I have an RZ350 that's pretty well built, and I put about a half mile on this up and down the road. It really surprised me. It's faster than I thought it was going to be. I do a riding video right now, but I don't know how I juggle the phone and the machine. Maybe I'll give it a try. See how this goes. This might get tricky. Turn this around one-handed without stalling it. There we go. See how well-mannered it is. I mean, I just throw it one-handed, shifting without the clutch, which is not something I normally do. But desperate times call for desperate measures. Now I'm trying to get back on the center stand, one-handed. You know what? I'm just gonna fucking hold this on this one. Never leaked a drop of anything. I don't know what else you guys might want to see, but it would sit here and idle all day, I think. Display it, you can ride it, you can do both. As long as you have fun doing it. Signing off.